Hey guys, Josh Gibbons here, back with another video. It has been so long since my last video, but guys, I'm so happy to announce that my FBA product stock, 320 units, are on their way to Amazon. I got a message, I think it was yesterday, from my suppliers saying they've shipped them out. And I actually, literally, it's on my bed. I won't show you because I haven't covered up any details. I received one single unit from the stock, so I'm actually sending out 319. I received a unit, so now I can get photography done. I've got to really just go over everything and make sure I'm ready for the product launch. It's pretty nerve-wracking, that I think will be amazing, because I've really thought about this. I've set up my product in a way where, you know, it's got to do well, and if not, then I've learned so much anyway, and I've pushed so many boundaries with my fear and my confidence and everything. But yeah, the stock is on its way to Amazon. I should be getting tracking codes today or tonight. You know how Chinese suppliers are. They always message you about 2 in the morning if you want to get any decent communication done. But yeah, I have my unit now. I need to contact my photographer, get that done literally ASAP, perfect my listing, and I can't wait. So thank you so much to the emails and the Instagram DMs that I've got from you guys. I really appreciate everyone following on with my journey. We're almost there, guys. We're so close to the launch. We've got the product on its way to Amazon right now, and we can do it. So let me know where you are in your journey. If I can help, just leave a question down below in the comments or send me an email, and I'll catch you in my next video, guys. Thanks again.